All right, mate. Let's look here. XEC. It's not a coin I look at very often. It doesn't have a USD pair on Binance, but it's up 23% today. So it's too late to get into this today, in my opinion. I can't say, I'm not saying it's not going higher, but you know, FOMOing, you need to learn to not FOMO and stuff like this when it's up 23%, unless you have a really clean strategy. Now, what I want to talk about though is the fact that it did break up this 23%. You can see from the opening price today, it's skyrocketed. But this bull pattern is very powerful. It's a J hook pattern that loves to go a lot higher. And when price grinds, when price comes down, you see price grinding along the white 100 moving average like this and popping back up. You start to see that bull shape, right? It's very bullish. And if you see that on any time frame, be it the 10-minute time frame like we have here, or the 1 hour, 2 hour, 4 hour, 1 day, even 1 week or month, it's extremely bullish. Now, if I just bring across a chart from my other screen, actually, just as we're looking at this, I don't know if you can see this, but you can see, look at this bull pattern right here, right? This bull pattern right here. What happened on the bull pattern on Link weekly chart? This is a weekly chart. Well, price absolutely skyrocketed on a weekly basis. So you can see this bull pattern here, and then price likes to skyrocket. So it can go higher. I'm not saying it can't go higher, but I just wanted to emphasize the nature of that pattern. This is very interesting, actually. It reminds me of ETH at this point. If you look at ETH here, you can see that, you know, this second green candle on a monthly basis, very similar to this. And you can see here that XEC is potentially telling us that ETH might want to actually keep going to new all-time highs. But personally, I would not be FOMO buying this right here. If anything, if it's going to have a third day to the upside, then I would keep an eye on it and trade it tomorrow and see if it can go again. But I just don't like buying it up here.